Oj, för sure.
How you feeling?
Feeling hot.
I am super excited
You sure?
No. About trying these hot sauces. We've been waiting a while, so we are gonna go with the Route 66 first. So, oh God, you're taking this one. No, you're taking this one.
You sure?
Yes, I'll take the.
Okay.
Oh my God, that's too much.
But
And we're just guessing the order of hot to not.
we're not sure.
It's just the ass part here scared us, so we put that one last. We've smelt them all, and this one smells. Good luck, guys.
We're going.
We have one who gets red and the other one that sweats. I'll let you guess who's who. What?
Not too bad.
It's in good place.
Yeah.
Première position. She's good.
Good job, guys.
It has like a vinegary hotness to it,
It's peu. Mais pas, non.
but it's jalapeno.
Okay.
Not too bad.
No.
I
Okay.
mean, you know me, guys.
If anyone cares, I could try it.
Yeah, sure.
One.
Mais c'est
And I'll
All
try
right,
it.
C'est pas.
Do it live.
let's dab it. Let's dab it all the way
Okay, let's
to town.
Oh.
There you go. You can try that.
Okay. Da-da-da-da.
That's a lot. Guys, on our other video, we tried a hot chili.
Hello, taste. There's nothing. It doesn't taste anything.
So,
Doesn't taste anything at all. So let's go back to the action.
all right, so that
Mais
was,
le goût est bon.
yeah, it has a nice taste. It's pretty good. All right, sauce number 1 has been conquered. Route 66 has been conquered, guys. So,
We survive.
that's it.
Wow.
Woo! Next up is Melinda's.
It's not triple X.
C'est 4X.
4X.
C'est encore plus cochon, ça.
That's what it should be.
Nice. So we've already dabbed our chicken nugget.
They're getting cold, mais c'est pas grave.
Getting cold.
Okay.
Tiens, like as well.
Let's see if we see any sweating or any red faces. No. I think we need to re-dab these. There's not enough. Mine will be fresh and we'll have a little extra. So
It'll be hot for her.
Oh, pas tout.
Wait. So again, this is a habanero pepper sauce.
is this the California or is it
Nope.
Quebec?
Californie, ça.
Cali? Oh, shame.
Oh yes, California.
Shame, Cali.
Cali, number 2.
Non. Ben des œufs.
Seems like what we thought would be spicy aren't going to be. Anyway, this is even more vinegary than the first.
Oh.
I find that if maybe the dab was too small, if it was a bigger dab, it'd be hotter.
It's my turn now, so we'll see.
Let's see.
Vraiment.
It might be because the dab was soaked in so much. I don't know.
Ah, ça se peut.
The guinea pig. I'll shoot you straight.
That's good enough. You want me to tape you?
Whatever.
No, fresh.
Here we go.
Wait.
Let's try it.
Au moins, là, c'est pas pire.
Vinegary.
Is it spicy though to you?
No.
As-tu un petit peu plus?
Yeah.
No.
Plus, un petit peu.
I don't know.
Nothing.
Ben déçu.
We're on to the third.
I mean, we'll be able to use it on our.
If
tacos.
anything, I have chicken nugget in my throat. On to the third space sauce.
Now this one really looks
Scorpion.
spicy. This one looks spicy. You see it on the nugget. You can see like the spice is thick.
That's Sylvain's.
So that is gonna be
The scorpion.
the scorpion.
The scorpion.
I'm gonna re-dab mine though, because it's dried up.
Ah oui, donc.
Yeah, you do. All right.
We're going all the way.
We're getting brave, I think. Maybe
oui,
too
mais-
brave.
Encore un petit peu, encore.
More?
Ben oui.
Yeah, I think there's not enough.
Oh,
Ooh, but that stinks. This one smells.
Yours too. We need to see some sweat. We need to see some red faces.
I might.
And some hiccups.
Let's switch. Let's switch that.
okay, we'll switch.
I can smell. I can. All right.
right,
I
let's
think this
go.
is the one.
Chin chin.
Oh, 5.
Faudra pas que je goûte ça.
That reminds me of the bomb.
That's a killer. What the? Oh. Oh.
Oh. There's no taste in it. It's just really like bitter. It's bitter. It's bitter. I need water.
Oh, oui.
Next.
My turn to try Dave's Gourmet from Cali.
Dave's Gourmet.
It's supposed to be really hot. Like the bomb from Hot Ones.
It's really hot. We're dying here. You're gonna be a hero now, eh? That's what it is. You can, it's bitter, right? It's not like a sweet sauce. My gums burn.
Hello, taste.
Yeah, okay. Get out of here.
Don't taste anything.
Get out of here.
Sorry. So everyone's still recovering from the scorpion pepper.
Dave's Gourmet.
And that's
Dave's
remember,
Gourmet.
that's the Isaiah Kush.
That's the number one hot one so far.
Hot one.
Now we're going to hell, guys.
What the hell?
We're going to hell.
And hell is brown.
It's,
Can be. C'est ça. Prête?
yeah.
Well, they're going to
cheers.
hell anyways. I'm here to watch. For now.
All right.
Let's go. Oh, they got lucky.
Wait. Un petit peu. Un peu.
This is another habanero sauce.
And that one is from Quebec.
This one is, yes.
This is from Quebec.
Not too bad.
Not too
Hot
bad.
sauce from hell, beyond hot. I would say no, as you see. It's got almost no reaction from these guys.
It goes pas to hell. No.
No.
No. This is hell. Right here?
Oh, ça c'est hell. Oh, oui.
That's hell.
Even hell tomorrow.
Yeah.
C'est sûr.
Time to go to hell, guys. See you there.
Your turn. Yeah, you'll see. It's not as heavy.
A lot of these sauces I find are very vinegary.
It's barbecue sauce, man. Hot sauce.
Nothing.
Yeah.
The hottest one was the last one, the scorpions.
All right.
Still loving you.
All right. On to the last.
This is the last sauce to try, and
Last dab.
it's the ass killer. So
Ass.
Ass in hell.
Oh, we call it the ass killer. So we're putting a little extra, so we feel it.
More juicy.
Because so far, besides the Dave's Gourmet,
So ass in hell.
let's see.
T'es prête?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Ready?
Down the hatch.
Not hot. It's like the bat when you breathe it in.
Oh. Oh. Le kick down par en arrière. Là. Oh.
It's awful.
I see a bit of a red face.
It's awful.
Ben non, c'est pas speak.
Oh, oui.
On dira pas le bad word, hein? Non, on dira
It's a family channel.
Want to try? Not bad at all. Tasty though. More on the vinegar side. Not too hot. Good for tacos. This one didn't have any taste actually. And then it's gonna hurt your ass if you eat more than just the dab. And this is just horrible. This one,
Dave's Gourmet.
I mean, it's great if you really want something hot, but
That's it.
it is spicy.
So the winner of the challenge is Dave's Gourmet. That is
Dave's Gourmet, people.
Scorpion.
Scorpion pepper.